How to enable fingerprint on Infinix Hot 6 Ti. Follow the step. So we need to go to the setting, and then you can select on password and security, tap on it, and in the first step we need to enable the lock screen, tap on it, and select on pattern, tap on coded, and here make any pattern what do you want, and I just wanna make the symbol like this. Tap on confirm, and next you can enable the fingerprint here and try your pattern before and tap on your fingerprint, and you can swipe your finger in this power button just like this until the indicator is fully. Swipe your finger side by side and tap on finish, and you can try your finger like this. Okay, your finger have been successfully added. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.